For the past many years, the gate erected by the 58 GORKHA Training Center in Happy Valley had caused a lot of problems not only to residents of Mawshbuit locality but to visitors of tourist spots in the area. However, with the Peace Committee having been formed in April this year between defense personnel, the police and DORBAR SHNONG Mawshbuit, it had been agreed upon that the gate would be opened 24/7 to ease public communication in the locality. On 23rd September, the recently inducted Cabinet Minister of South Shillong constituency, Mawshbuit, before visiting the location, had held a discussion with the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District, Isawanda Lalu, the MDC and Chairman of the KHADC, Panyat Singh Aim, Commandant of the 58 GTC, East Khasi Hills SP Sylvester Nongtinger, and SP City Vivek's Aim, besides members of the DORBAR SHNONG Mawshbuit. Mawshbuit, while speaking to media persons, informed that he had earlier met Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh in the national capital to apprise him of the problems that have arisen due to the location of the GTC gate in the particular residential area. Shillong further informed that the issue had been looked into by the Defence Estate Officer, who has been delegated the task of identification of space and relocation of the GTC gate to another place. The Cabinet Minister added that the reconstruction of the gate in a new location would be borne by the state government.
Rai juga naging yalang meeting kom inspection. Kolong hadin ba local MDC ba Panyat Singh. But irang ba SHNONG, Sardar SHNONG juga naging SHNONG Mawshbuit. Kila ya initiate ya ka issue ko long pending issue. Nagbanta kinong SHNONG jongi apa Mawshbuit. But kiwi civilian kibuan kai sih kamtam kana ka tourist spot juga kana ka Sweet Falls. Tekladon kana jingin dia hubunai. Betul jingin dia hubunai April. Tena kali yang jung lokal MDC di DORBAR SHNONG nantakan naga district administration ke DC. Kila ya initiate atau ke puar kila ya don ka meeting. Kaba sultanat kalong ba kila form ya ka peace committee between the army and the DORBAR SHNONG local MDC berkini ki official ke army ke police department nanti ke PLUD department de kaladon ka resolution bagila adopt hubunai April mo berai April ba kanum don day bandon ka jing ka harassment or ka jing pendik ya ka lej kawan jongki nong SHNONG jong Mawshbuit ki civilian mad hang por ga mi ka jing yaki ka protest na kaliang jing nong SHNONG nong ba ka DORBAR SHNONG kalong ba ki army dadap choba jing tu ki khang no ya ka gi kadan ga jing jongki ta mi ka tu je ki hadin bagilaya form to committee hadu menta kat kum report na kaliang ka district administration ki police akan ka joint meeting bi along menta kasih bukan inspection na kaliang ki official jongka army ru komandan ba deputy komandan ke badan mentan te ka report kolong hadu menta mundon su kono ka jing pendik nomor 24/7 kumba kilaya rai katu ka continue mo ba punya but kini report baru nak liang jung kini official kita forward support you te accordingly nang tu officially kita support Ministry of Defence ya kabangi jointly mga local MDC dengan DORBAR SHNONG lang nakapoi uput pat baladep ya ka report kan poi percadeli ya final stage te ingin saya lek lang pat ngin saya penbet lang bang nyelek ba ngin yo ngin try our best ngin percang nang benta ka jing pitjing biang jongki mai pajba ka jing kuaj pajba will try our best ba kani ka kam kan urlong kan seso te at this stage menta ka sa pada poka di DO office ngila ya pej ngila ya depth inspection joint inspection tigikin sal le ya ka measurement kan eta na te tanah kaliang jongka 58 GTC ki komandan deputy komandan ki assuring akhbar jonga ba kamton sukono no ka kila report ba kamton sukono but he assure ngaru ngakerpat ikiba mut army un percaya civilian ni civilian ke percaya army